In this video, I will show you how to connect the power of Claude AI with Notion to build a comprehensive knowledge base in seconds. If you often find yourself drowning in articles, manuals, or random links, this workflow is going to be a complete game changer for your productivity. To get started, open your Claude chat window and look for the plus icon located in the chat bar. When you click that, you will see a list of tools and integrations. Make sure you toggle the Notion option to on so that the two platforms can communicate with each other. Once that connection is established, you are ready to start the heavy lifting. Simply take your raw data, whether it is a long technical manual, a series of research papers, or a collection of web links, and paste them directly into the chat box. Now comes the most important part, which is providing a clear and structured prompt. You should type something like "create a page in my Notion knowledge base database called," followed by your specific topic name. To ensure the page is actually useful once it reaches Notion, you should ask Claude to format it with specific headers. I recommend using headers for a quick summary, a core concept section, a list of definitions, and a space for related links. After you hit enter, Claude will process all your information and instantly build a perfectly organized reference page directly inside your Notion workspace. This eliminates the need for manual copying and pasting or formatting chores. You can repeat this process for every new project or research topic you encounter, allowing you to build a massive library of information that is easy to search and navigate. It is the most efficient way to turn raw information into actual knowledge that you can use later. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you master your digital